Transgender people have been able to openly serve in the U.S. military since last year, but now President Trump is calling for a reversal. Mola Lenghi reports from Washington.
President Trump is reversing the Pentagon's policy regarding transgender people in the military. In a series of tweets this morning, the president said the government will not accept or allow transgender individuals to serve in any capacity in the U.S. military. He cited, quote, the tremendous medical costs and disruption that transgender in the military would entail. Last year, former Defense Secretary Ash Carter lifted the ban, saying it was the right thing to do.
Americans who want to serve and can meet our standards should be afforded the opportunity to compete to do so.
Since October, transgender troops have been able to receive medical care, but recently, military chiefs announced a delay on allowing transgender people from enlisting.
The president's statement contravenes the doctrines of the military, and we'll have to review it in the Armed Services Committee.
The Pentagon referred all questions about the president's statements to the White House and said it will provide revised guidance in the near future. The Pentagon won't release numbers, but a RAND study found there are between 2,500 and 7,000 transgender service members in the active duty military and up to 4,000 in the reserves. Navy Lieutenant Commander Blake Dreeman, who's been serving as a man for the past 3 years, called the decision disappointing.
Transgender people are already serving in various aspects of the military honorably, and they've shown no impact to readiness or the lethality of our mission.
Right now, there is no word on what will happen to those currently serving. Mola Lenghi for CBS News, the Pentagon.